back to that weather alert, day 4 of the heat wave here in southern New England. And of course, people have been flocking to Rhode Island's beaches, including here at South Kingstown Town Beach, trying to cool down. Thankfully, we're getting a big break from the heat tomorrow. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca joins us now. I mean, the swing is kind of ridiculous, Tony.
You're right, Shannon. There's nothing gradual. It's just a mere 25 degrees cooler tomorrow, 73. Most areas are dry right now in terms of showers, but we've had a few isolated little downpours and showers pass through some areas. That includes Newport, where now a little bit of hazy sun is trying to come back out. So these showers that are out there, the few and far between, they've got a shelf life of like 10, 15 minutes, and then they're gone. In Narragansett now, some extra clouds have come in within the last hour, but a little bit of sun. But you've had a good deal of sun just about everywhere today. It topped out well into the 90s, so we're keeping score here. It's an official 4-day heat wave. Back on Sunday, 94, Monday, 91. Of course, the big record breaker yesterday at 100. We topped out at 96 this afternoon. Now temperatures are starting to settle back a little bit, getting more of a sea breeze coming in off the ocean. But here are the high temperatures today, running generally in the middle 90s, but with the high humidity, the heat index, or that feel-like temperature at times, was close to 100. Notice the cool down. I mean, rather than 95, 96, it's dropped off into the low and mid 80s. So we've had a sea breeze front. In other words, cooler air coming in off the ocean, essentially moving from east to west. And it's been responsible for setting off a few of these isolated showers. Take a look at the dew points. They remain very high. When you get dew points in the low 70s, it's tropical. There's a lot of moisture. So here are the dew points now. Watch what happens, especially later tonight into tomorrow. Kind of a dew point forecast. Look how they drop off big time. So by Thursday, the dew points are in the mid-50s Thursday afternoon. That's drier, more refreshing air. The humidity levels are dry, though. We'll see a couple of scattered showers and extra clouds coming up on Thursday. And that's the reason why, along with a northeast wind tomorrow, the reason why it'll be 25 degrees cooler. So weather headlines, which includes the heat and the humidity hanging on for a few more hours. Looking at cooler weather, much cooler weather starting on Thursday. Those lower dew points, not so much this evening, but later tonight and on into Thursday. Some showers in the forecast, including tomorrow, but there'll be some dry periods as well. Satellite and radar composite, the true Canadian cool air. It's this front, just to our north. Now this is sinking to the south. It's the leading edge of cooler air over the U.S.-Canadian border. So as this front comes through, some of that cooler air starts to filter in, especially being ushered on a northeast breeze. That's a cooler wind direction. Plus the clouds will keep temperatures much cooler than today. Again, few and far between these little blips coming through. Haven't seen much in the way of thunder or lightning. I mean, I wouldn't rule that out, but so far so good in that regard. Tomorrow morning, extra clouds and cooler, upper 60s to around 70, with a chance for a few showers both morning and into the afternoon hours. But there'll be times of dry weather as well. So we're not looking at a rainy day, but every now and then some showers coming through. And there you go, with much cooler air, temperatures topping out in the lower 70s. Beach forecast, clouds a lot cooler, chance for some showers. Looking at the air temperature, only upper 60s to low 70s, and the bay forecast reflects that northeast breeze tomorrow at 10 to 15 knots. All right, 7-day forecast. There's the cool down. Friday, basically dry at 72, still going with a chance for some showers on Saturday. A little milder, brighter on Sunday, partly sunny skies, 77. Then temps back in the 80s Monday and Tuesday of next week. But big change coming up for tomorrow.
Yeah, we wanted a break from the heat, but I don't know if I needed a 25 degree.
I know. Why can't we find that even middle?
All right, Tony, thanks.